My first seminar was June 16th, 2004. So that's my first seminar I ever do. By 2006, I was in Irvine, California, doing a seminar when New Century went out of business. And I remember people calling me saying, Hesh, oh my God, New Century went under. And I was like, this is impossible. They're the second biggest subprime lender in the United States, right behind Wells Fargo. They bit the dust like in 3 hours, gone. All of a sudden in 2006, it just started raining fire, okay? It got nuts. I mean like nuts, okay? So January 1st of 2007 was my first real estate and economic outlook. My outlook in January 2007, I literally told real estate agents, I'd have a room of 200 people. I literally told agents, I would say, this is like here, we're doomed. I would say as an industry, I wouldn't say we're doomed. I would say it's going to be bad. Like you better be digging in your heels. I hope you paid off your debt. I hope you did not over leverage yourself in debt. I hope you didn't buy 10 investment properties because you watched too many television shows and spent all your money on cars, clothes, and houses. I'm telling you, get ready, man. It's about to rain some fury on us in this industry. That was 2007. That was every year, 2008, 2009, 2010, all the way through 2012. 2012, I started telling people, we're nearing the bottom, but we won't know it until we're through it. But I'm telling you, it's starting to turn. 2013, at that seminar, I was saying the real estate and economic outlook. Now, keep in mind, we're just coming out of, for goodness sake, this mess over here. I said, the tide is going to start turning this year. It will start turning. That was 2013. 2018, it was, I'm telling you people, real estate's strong. It's because of lending, and I'm going to show you why. There, 2020, you had COVID. That nobody could predict that. That was completely turned everything upside down on its head. Last year in 2021, do you want to know what I told people? I said, inventory is going to be low. It's going to be your number one issue. By the way, you know what I said to people in 2007? The number one issue in 2007 and for like a 5-year period, I said, your number one problem is going to be lending. Lending is going to bite the dust, and we are not going to lend like we have. And since you're not used to that, you're going to see lending as your number one issue. I said last year in 2021, your number one issue is going to be inventory. Number one will be inventory. And you know what I'm saying this year in 2022? Same thing. It's inventory. Unlike 07, where I said, this is going to be a horrible time. This is going to be terrible. You better hang on to your hat. In 2022, I'm telling everybody watching this thing right now, if you're working and putting your heart into what you're doing and you study data and you educate yourself to separate yourself from the field, I'm telling you, 2022, man, it's going to be great. Like, it's going to be a great year for a ton of people out there. Of course, there's going to be people who struggle. I get it. But at the end of the day, 2022 is going to be a big year, man.